Howdy folks, how y'all doing? My name's Camo Jim, and we're going to give you a little tour of what we got going on here at the Camo Jim place. So, yeah, we go ahead and get right on into the tour. So, there's the back of the house. That is where I spend most of my days. We'll walk y'all down there. I'll meet y'all down there. It's a little ways for me, but it's like a split second for y'all. So when I get down there, I'll see y'all down there. Alright, we're here, and as you can see, there's got a bit of bullfrogs in here. You've seen that one jump. Yeah, I'll give y'all a walk around. Just gotta be careful around here. There's snakes and such. So there's the bank. Sometimes there's some big old fish that jump around in here. There ain't nothing special in here, just cats. Oh, look at them tracks. Look like coon tracks to me. It's fresh too. Something's been down here. Them looks like coon tracks. And this right here is where I'll be in most of my videos. This right here is the spot. You sit right here, you can fish all day and catch some big old ones. And yeah, there's a tree. I don't really know what dwells up under that tree. So yep, there's a hole. Is there a track in there? Nope, thought there was a track in there. Yep, there's our tree. Goes into the pond. And there you go. There's our little catfish hole. We got frogs in them. I ain't got no catfish in there just yet. Cause well, I lost my hooks. But yeah, that's our catfish hole. One of them. And then there's, you see, the pipe can just run straight up under where this is. And then right here, got another catfish hole. What was that? Look at that stick. There's all the woods. There you go, woods. We finished walking around here in the pond. I don't really come around here much, but if I ever got me one of them GoPros, I'd tie it to my line and throw it out there. But down here, we use poor people. So, we don't got money for that nice junk. And from what I seen yesterday, there is a black snake around here. I seen him slither up along there. So, yeah, I don't really come along this side of the pond much often. The only time I do come along this side is when I go swimming. Swimming. And then you see all them bubbles and it's tadpoles. Bullfrog tadpoles, that's what our catfish eat. Here in this pond, there's pretty decent ones. Then there's this big old blue. We call him Big Blue, because he's a big blue catfish. And yeah, so yeah, here's our yeah, look, they're real active over here. Oh yeah, bullfrog done scared me. Every single time when them bullfrogs gonna jump in the water, they always scare the snot out of me. Every time. There's a pipe. We'll walk over here. There ain't nothing on the other side of that pipe. Here's our little walkway under the trees and a spider web. There's a pipe. Don't really know what's going on there. It's just a pipe. I mean, you can probably see that under the water. Right there on there. I can see it. So, yeah, I reckon that's pretty much it. I'm gonna give you a tour around the house or whatever. There's neighbors, stuff, and there's our big old field. Got a building, some cars, and yeah, I'm not gonna show that bit. Y'all probably done seen it when I looked up at the cars. So I'll meet y'all when we're back up in the front of the house. Alright, right there is the rear end of the house. That little itty bitty window, there's a bug on me. A little itty bitty window. Right there, that's my room. So, yep. Here's this bit. It does got a motorcycle. It's a bit teared up. Excuse me. Bit teared up, but I think it'll work just good. Yeah, no better on up. Some butterflies. Yeah, look at that bike. Nope, that's the bike. Yeah, the building's kind of tore up. Something got in here, tore it up. There's the carport where our car is. Sadly, we're poor. We poor around here. We don't got a truck. Sadly. Shut that damn lock. Yeah, there's my daddy's car. Don't work. There's my mama's car. It works. There's our bench and that star. Some grapes. Trees. Cars. Hedges. In the front of the house. I'll meet y'all when I get back up there so y'all can see what the whole house looks like. I'll see y'all in a second. Yep, there it is. Well, I reckon that's it for this video. Hold on, let me flip this around for you. I reckon that's it for this video. See y'all later.